What distinguishes CEOs in their decision making from other people? And the answer is that what we found is that CEOs are sensitive to social information, right? Which is, first of all, is a surprise. Second of all, they behave like young people when they make decisions. But the most important thing is that when they're taking social information on board and behaving like young people, their brains are not at all like a young person's brain. They're doing it in a different fashion. Well, I think that what it means is that for us to understand why CEOs would behave differently in terms of their brains and their decision-making patterns, we must sort of turn to their actual life experience. What is it that they've been doing that over the course of their career span that has actually allowed them to develop this type of expertise, and furthermore, that has changed the way their brain functions? And the answer seems to be they are constantly in a situation of having to make decisions in the face of poor or under-informative scenarios. And so I think that it speaks to the need for leadership to engage aggressively with learning opportunities. I think that it suggests that any type of learning regime that targets the opportunity to have the experience of dealing with poor and ambiguous information should be embraced rather than avoided, and that perhaps it validates certain types of approaches to education. What we can use our ability to look inside a functioning brain allows us to ask questions about the nature of the processes that are supporting somebody's decision making. So if we know that there's certain types of optimal behaviors and associated with certain types of processes, we can look and see if they're there or they're developing.